Hi guys, this is Byrd and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my version of a Burberry shirt. This is a dupe. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. And this shirt right here, guys, retails for over $700, but I made mine and I made it specific to what I wanted. I use Nomi pattern ME2052, which was designed by Nikki Brooks, and it is perfect. This is an oversized pattern. There are breast pockets. I'll show you all the details. Cuffs, a yoke, collar and stand. Great details, great instructions. And I did a live sew along, so make sure that you check that out on my YouTube channel. Spring is coming, so I wanted to make a transitional piece. I made mine into what is called a shacket, which is a combination of a jacket and a shirt. This is out of a really yummy flannel that I got from Nick of Time. These are the breast pockets, the collar. Look at the cuff, guys. Look at the way that the pattern matches. The pockets just melt into the fabric. I think I did a really great job with this. It looks really good. I love it. I know that this is going to be a favorite of mine and will be put to regular use. Check out the full length sew along where I go into detail about the collar, the stand, and how I like to install a yoke with a burrito roll. Let's get into some of these details. So I shared about the breast pocket, the side slanted pockets. I added a button, I added a flap to the breast pockets. Look at those slant pockets. I can't talk about those enough. They just totally disappear into the fabric. A shacket is a great transitional piece from fall to spring. I have mine layered here over a sweatshirt, but as the warm weather sets in, I can go ahead and put this over a crop top, a t-shirt. I really do love the way that it turned out. This is truly going to be put to use quite a bit and in regular rotation. I received quite a few questions about the fabric. I purchased the fabric online from Nick of Time fabric store. Great delivery. The quality of the flannel is really good. I recommend that you wash and dry your fabric before you begin cutting it out and sewing it up. Would I buy the fabric again? Absolutely. Would I sew this pattern again? 110% yes. Check it out. I recommend both. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe.